nice flowers. I don't think I gave it enough time to show you the whole box. Really pretty box. Really is. And then the flowers are matching the flowers from the paper. It's really nice. And then behind, I like how she folded. I like how she folded. It's really nice. The folding. It's really pretty. Really pretty. I really like it. It's really, really nice. It's really nice. So yeah, this is a quick video of the box. I don't know how to really say it. I'm sure if it's balsa box. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. It's really nice. All the details you get, really, really nice. I really like it. Thank you so much. Thank you, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.